Today, we'll be discussing the importance of organic chemistry in the terms of hydrocarbons. Organic chemistry is the study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Nearly all compounds and living things can be classified as organic compounds. This includes snow, trees, animals, humans, and much, much more. So today, we'll focus on the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are compounds that contain only carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms. We'll then be discussing the two main branches under hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. We'll then come to understand how this information can be included and used in an experiment. So a saturated hydrocarbon is a hydrocarbon in which all carbon-carbon bonds are single bonds. These types of bonds are very simple to identify and therefore learn. Unsaturated hydrocarbons is a hydrocarbon in which one or more carbon-carbon bonds are either double or triple or both. One category of the saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes. Alkanes are a saturated hydrocarbon in which all the atoms are arranged in a straight pattern, called acyclic. When the arrangement is put together to form a circle, the structure is called cyclic. An example of alkanes can include methane. Places such as swamps, marshes, bogs, and sediments of lakes produces methane. Drilling for oil and natural gas is also related to hydrocarbons, since the drilling is linked to finding locked away hydrocarbons deep in rocks under the surface of the earth. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons that have double or triple covalent bonds between adjacent carbon atoms. Those with at least one carbon-to-carbon double bond are called alkenes, and those with at least one carbon-to-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. An example of an alkene could be ethane, the simplest unsaturated hydrocarbon. Ethane is flammable when ignited, colorless, and can be found in plants acting as a plant hormone. Ethane is used in industrial uses such as plastics and fibers. Alkynes are compounds that have at least one triple bond. Alkynes are more easily reactive than other hydrocarbons and are more common in a pericyclic reaction. An experiment was conducted using the vapor of a liquid paraffin, a mixture of saturated hydrocarbons, and cracked by passing it over a heated catalyst. The mixture of gaseous short-chain hydrocarbons produced a collected and tested unsaturated with bromine water and acidified with potassium. This shows the many complexities of hydrocarbons and their uses in everyday scientific experiments, particularly in chemistry.